Well, we're pleased to have with us today Dr. Jack Matunas. He's an orthodontist and president of the Idaho Dental Foundation, a foundation that is giving back to the community one smile at a time. And here to explain more is, as mentioned, Dr. Matunas. So help our viewers, though, first understand what is the Idaho Dental Foundation and what's its mission?
Well, the mission of the Idaho Dental Foundation, Melissa, is to improve the oral health of Idaho's underserved citizens through access to care and education.
Okay.
We have a board that's composed of dentists from the 7 dental districts, and this really comprises the entire state of Idaho. And this allows us to gather information from the dentists, the community health districts, and other dental personnel who are providing care for the greatest needs throughout the state.
And you know what I really like about this, though, is that, as you mentioned, because we were talking a little bit behind the camera too, that a lot of these dentists, all of them, are volunteers that are a part of this board, right?
Yes, each one of them is an unpaid volunteer, and we meet each year. We review and discuss and then distribute grants to the various organizations that request them. I'd like to tell you that the grants are so effectively done by these groups that if you were to give me $1, I could assure you that 98 cents is going to go directly into somebody's mouth. It's a very efficient organization.
That's fantastic. And speaking of those funds, though, too, the dentists, they also donate. So not only are they volunteering their time, but they're also donating to this cause to make sure that everyone has that opportunity to have a healthy smile, right?
Yes, they do. And it is our major donor, the dentist, not only in services, but in the money provided that we can grant it to other service providers throughout the state.
And help our viewers understand, what exactly do you do with those funds?
Well, for example, this past year we provided $8,000 in grants to 5 different dental providers who we knew were making a difference. An example would be here in Boise, the Miles for Smiles van was provided funds to provide care for dental Boise School District children who can't afford it.
Okay, and we're not only talking about an impact here, though, in the Treasure Valley as well. This is a statewide effort. So I know you've had some impacts as well in Coeur d'Alene, too, right?
Yes, we have. And in Coeur d'Alene, we provided money to the St. Vincent de Paul Society, provided dental vouchers to veterans for care in that area.
Great. So we're looking at school children, we're looking at veterans, anyone who has a hard time affording that opportunity to really take care of their smile. Because, I mean, tell us, though, why is it so important that we have a healthy smile? What are the health benefits and the impact when we know that our teeth are in good condition?
Well, if anyone's had a toothache, they can tell you immediately being out of that pain is helpful.
Yes.
The impact in the community would be, rather than using an emergency room at a hospital, which would be sometimes 5 times as costly, we have organizations who can provide this service in a more efficient manner, saving money for our community as well.
Yes, and that's fantastic in itself. Now, if somebody's watching and they feel like that they may benefit from some of these organizations or these events that you're able to fund through the foundation, what do they do if they want to really try to take advantage of some of these services?
Well, I'd ask them to take a look at our website, and that website is www.theiasda.org/Idaho-Dental-Foundation.
Okay, and that's a big website. It's a lot to write down right now. I know we're going to have that linked at k2b.com. Also, these dentists, they're putting in their volunteer time and they're also donating, but I know our viewers can donate or get involved and help support these causes too, which will have more of that information as well at k2b.com. And I know they can find it on your website, which I'm not going to make you repeat again, because that's a lot. That's a long website. Thank you so much, Dr. Matunas. Greatly appreciate the positive impact that you've been able to make here in our community. Very important.
Well, Melissa, thank you for sharing with your viewers today.
Yes, great to have you on.